Before we say anything else, we just want to say thank you.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. And just thanks for inviting us into your house over the last 7 years.
Your support has helped us turn this small backyard hobby into something so much bigger than we ever imagined it could be.
And we honestly couldn't have done it without you. We started the Barbecue Lab with one goal in mind: to help people build community around food and fire. That's the heart of what we do. It's not just about testing the latest pellet grill or unboxing a new griddle. It's about helping you find the right gear to gather your people, slow down, and do life together in the backyard.
During the pandemic, we built this 24 by 42 foot patio ourselves. We didn't hire a company. We literally bribed friends and family with barbecue, and in just 11 and a half months, we turned what was a tiny cracked patio into something truly special. This space has given us some incredible memories, family meals, great conversations around the fire, and the opportunity to connect with you all through the lens of a camera.
But as we grew, we recognized that this big, beautiful patio in our backyard is seldom available for our family to use.
Yeah, it's typically just an active filming set with grills and griddles and pizza ovens just everywhere, and there's no room for our family to actually enjoy this outdoor space.
And what you don't see in the final edit of our videos is the scrambling behind the scenes, moving grills in and out, waiting for neighboring lawnmowers to finish making noise, chasing daylight between storms, and the inside of our house with cameras, lights, and outdoor cooking paraphernalia littered about. We now review about 100 grills and outdoor cooking products each year, and that's honestly a lot of gear. And we simply don't have the space to store it all.
We try to hang on to most of the products we review so we can pull them back out for more comparisons and techniques in the future. Right now, we're renting 4 off-site storage units just to keep things organized, and that's costing about $1,000 every month.
That's not even including the time and labor it takes to haul things back and forth across town just to shoot a single video. Beyond the storage challenge, we've also just hit a ceiling on what we can do. We've had to say no to some things that we really wanted to say yes to. Our roundups with 8 different grills shut down the patio for 3 weeks at a time while we test, and it's very hard to keep up our schedule when, for 3 weeks, we can't shoot anything else. Some of my favorite types of videos fell by the wayside just to keep the reviews coming. We haven't been able to create the kind of technique and recipe content that so many of you have been asking us to get back to.
And here's the thing, the whole point of the Barbecue Lab isn't just about helping you buy the right gear.
That's right. It's really about helping you find that right gear, be able to use it with confidence so you can gather the people that you love in the backyard and create lasting memories together in community.
And that mission has been stifled by our current space. And so we knew something needed to change.
What you see on camera is a finished video.
What you don't see is the toll that it takes on our family and our house.
Our kitchen has become the test kitchen for the channel. The dining room is unusable 99% of the time. It's our default overflow gear area.
We have a 3-bay garage, but no room to park a car.
Here's a behind the scenes look at our office, where we share a desk right on the other side of our studio setup. What you don't see off camera is that it's also extra storage and a production wall. We're incredibly grateful for what this has become, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, the fact that we get to do this together full time and as a family with our kids is just an incredible gift.
But when there's no separation between work life and family life, that's really taken a toll. Melissa and I have had to fight for balance between family and filming, and between content and connection.
And that's just not sustainable, not for our family and not for this channel.
We want to give you more, we want to teach more, but we can't do that when we're constantly stepping over gear and trying to convince our neighbors that when a steak hits temperature isn't the best time to mow their lawns. You wouldn't believe the number of takes we've had to scrap because of leaf blowers or barking dogs.
You just don't really understand and appreciate the noise level of a suburban backyard until you mic up and hear it in all its wonderful glory. It's a real thing.
After more than 18 months with a lot of soul searching and dreaming big, we finally found a solution that we're excited about.
But at the same time, it's also really terrifying. We've had a lot of sleepless nights weighing pros and cons and debating the financial implications.
This change we're making, it's not about building something flashy or going corporate. It's about taking a real leap of faith in order to reclaim the mission that started this whole thing,
while protecting the one thing that really matters to us, our family.
So what's next?
We're kicking the barbecue lab out of this house and into a new property that's going to become the Barbecue Lab headquarters.
It's a former rustic wedding venue, and it's now a blank canvas for future videos. It has tons of storage space and room to start offering some things that we've wanted to accomplish for years, but couldn't do here from our home.
Yeah, we'll share more about that in the next episode, and honestly, we can't wait to tell you all about it. But we want to leave you with this. The Barbecue Lab isn't changing who we are.
Absolutely not. It's really more about getting back to the roots of why we started this thing in the first place.
We're still going to create backyard style content. That's not going away because that's where real life happens. That's where stories are shared, meals are passed, and connections are made. We're just expanding the backyard a little.
The Barbecue Lab really exists to help you build community around food and fire. That's why we test grills the way we do. That's why we want to teach you how to be a better cook, whether you're using charcoal, pellets, live fire, or propane. It's why we want to show you how to use that new pizza oven to host your neighbors, how to feed a crowd with your pellet smoker, how to intentionally make extra and deliver a plate to someone going through a hard time.
We want to give you the tools, the knowledge, and the confidence to build real-world relationships with the people around you. That's what gets us excited to keep filming. And this move gives us the space and the freedom to be able to do that more fully.
We're incredibly thankful for every comment, every share, and every subscriber. This community has grown slowly but surely over the last 7.5 years, and we certainly wouldn't be here without you.
If you have any questions for us, drop us a comment down below. We would love to connect with you.
Let us know what type of content you'd like to see us film in the new space. This isn't just our next chapter, it's ours together here at the Barbecue Lab. I'm David.
I'm Melissa.
I'm Addie.
I'm Ethan.
And that's Uno, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.